Hi, I'm Leslie Petros. Welcome back to Cooking in Calcasieu. I hope you've enjoyed our last 3 episodes. Today I'm at Sulphur High and we're going to be making a few summer side dishes. All of our recipes today have come from LSU Ag Center Harvest of the Month recipes. So let's get started. Our first dish is roasted broccoli today. It's packed with nutrients, including fiber, vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, potassium, and iron. We're gonna add about a tablespoon of oil. Got some salt, add a little bit of pepper, and some sliced garlic. I'm gonna give this a toss. Spread it on our pan. We're gonna put it in a 450-degree oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, our broccoli's ready now. Oh, it looks really good. The edges are a little crisp and looks very tender. Now we're going to throw together a quick cucumber and tomato salad. So we're going to start off with our dressing, and I'm going to do 1/4 cup of olive oil. We're going to do 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. I'm going to do 1/2 teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of Italian dressing, a sprinkle of pepper, put it on, give it a shake. I'm going to slice up a Roma tomato. You need 4 Roma tomatoes or 2 medium tomatoes, whatever you have on hand. We're going to put these in a bowl. Slice the cucumber. You can leave the peelings on or take them off, whatever your family prefers. We also have 1/2 of a small red onion sliced. We're going to add our dressing. Okay, so we have everything tossed together. So we're gonna put this in the refrigerator and we're gonna let it marinate. Now, if you need to serve it right away, that's fine. But again, when you marinate, all these flavors mix together and the onions will also get milder. Okay, our last dish is pizza zucchini boats. Cut it in 1/2 long ways. And then you're gonna wanna take a spoon to hollow it out. But I found that this little 1/2 teaspoon is much easier to hollow it out. And we're going to add 4 ounces of tomato sauce. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs, 2 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese, and 1/2 teaspoon of oregano. Stuff our boats. We're going to cover it with cheese, a little mozzarella. Now we're going to add black olives to this, but you can add any of your favorite pizza toppings. So we're going to go put this in a 425-degree oven for about 20 minutes. Okay, it's about ready. Oh, these look wonderful. Any of these 3 side dishes that we did today would be great with grilled pork chops, barbecue chicken, steak, or kebabs. Thanks for watching today. This is our last episode for the school year. We look forward to seeing you next school year with more episodes for Cooking in Calcasieu.